So the last question here is a bit of a wolf in sheep's clothing, and it's actually, I'd say, more akin to a higher level question. That's not to say it couldn't come up in the ordinary level paper, but it's definitely more of a higher level question. So, what's your rule? Always to start off to check, can you get a highest common factor? No matter what, always check for a highest common factor. And as we can see here, 7x squared minus 28. Looking at the numbers first of all, so we've got a 7 and we've got a 28, and it's, I think 7 is a factor of 28, so the highest common factor here is most likely going to be 7. You're going to pull that out, and there are no letters in common, so our first step will be to factorize out the 7. So 7x squared divided by 7, it leaves you with x squared, and minus 28 divided by 7, so minus divided by plus gives you minus, and 28 divided by 7 gives you 4. And so what I talk about the wolf in sheep's clothing here is, you may think you're finished there at that stage, but you've not fully factorized this. You can still factorize this part, and so moving on here, we've got an x squared minus 4 bit still to factorize, and that really is a difference of two squares here. So if you look at this, what you've got, or to say it at the bottom here, the x minus 4 part, so x squared minus 4 part, so the square root of x squared is x, square root of 4 is 2, and now that has turned that into a difference of two squares, the minus being the difference. So x to be squared is x squared, and 2 to be squared is 4. So the difference of two squares, which is our first minus last, first plus last, giving us x minus 2, x plus 2, and we have to go and put that back up here. So 7 times our x minus 2, x plus 2, and there is number 8 done. So that is the end of that example.